yo te provoco. Te digo ven y te vuelves loco. Dilo sin miedo, yo no me quito. Tú me miras y prendo el delito.
Body movement while changing direction, especially in sensual bachata, bachazouk, involves two components. Number one is the actual body movement, which actually means how you move your body. For example, body movement is considered this, using the shoulders up and down, forward and back, circles, the hands, no matter how I use them, the neck, the head, the chest, waves, the entire body, even the hips. Body movement is, like the term goes, movement of the body, but it's important how. It needs to be coordinated, it needs to be synergetic, it needs to be natural. If you don't have these 3 points, it's gonna look a little bit weird. You need to do all the warm-up exercises because they are really amazing. Head rolls, you do circles, you do side to side for preparations, waves as well. You need the neck and the head. Then you need shoulders, forward and back, circles, up and down, squares. You want to do shimmy shoulders, chest, forward, back, side to side, circles. You can even change them, like add multiple points between them. Forward, middle, back, middle, forward. I can add more points. Semi-forward, forward. Semi-neutral. Back, 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 back. Two, 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 two. The second important part is the intention. You cannot change direction without shifting your balance and utilizing the upper body. For example, when you walk on the street and you want to go to the left, you go like this. 1, 2, and you change direction. You are not doing this. A lot of dancers actually do the last one, like they go with the foot first and then they'll go with the body. It looks something like this. This is because your body is relaxed. You need to hold your body. Imagine a little bit that somebody pulls you from the head and you also push into the ground. So it's like this. And when you're doing this, you're gonna have that intention. This is really important. How you create intention? Lift one of your legs and just bend and step. You lift the foot, and while you go here, you will feel the need to push. Push. So, boom. Because that's the secret, connecting the intention with what move you're doing. For example, I wanna change here and I wanna change here. Boom and boom. To be able to change directions, you need to have the direction and then you need to apply the force to move you in that direction. And on top of that, you can add a lot of stuff. For example, boom, boom, with hands, boom, boom. Spins, prep turns like this, boom, I turn, boom. It's all about these two things, the body movement, what you want to do, and the intention. And in the intention, you also have that pushing. So whatever you want to do, remember always to have intention and then push. So you always give the direction to your body and then you act upon it.
Dame ese ritmo, dame ese toque. Tu respiración me vuelve un choque. Y si te frenas, yo te provoco. Te digo ven y te vuelves loco. Dilo sin miedo, yo no me quito. Tú me miras y prendo el delito.
That being said, hope this helps you. Ciao!